Good morning, students. I myself Divakar Pandey from Kuntinagar Modern English School, Navada. And today I am going to discuss you the second lesson of class 7 SST Civics. This is my second video, and in my previous video I have discussed you role of the government in health. And now today we are going to discuss about the topic health care in India. It means in this chapter we have to study what facilities have been provided or what have facilities are available in our country. What is the situation of health and how can we say that there are good facilities in our country like India about health care. To understand about this situation, first of all, we should know that it is said in India often that we are unable to provide health services for all because the laxation of money and facilities that our government has no. It means there are no so good facilities and so much money in our country our government has. Now we will able to follow, are these right, it means true or false. We will able to follow about this some of the important points. First of all, largest medical college in world. We should know our country India has largest medical college in world. It means we can say that largest medical college in world and is among the largest producers of doctors. It means it is our country where largest medical colleges are available in world, and our country India produces largest number of doctors. So now this is the second point, that largest number of doctors are available in India. How it can be said? Yes, it can be said because approximately it means about 15,000 doctors qualify every year in our country. So now this is the situation that our country has largest number of doctors. Points should be noted. The third point is medical tourism from many countries. In our country, India, so many medical tourists always come to treat the patient in our country. So these are the situation about the health care in our India. Now, when we discuss about pharmaceutical industries, our country has so much pharmaceutical industries. How it can be said? Yes, pharmaceutical industries is third largest in volume and its value among all the countries in the world. India is at 14th position. It means when we discuss pharmaceutical industries of India, we can say when we care on its volume, our country has the third position in volume in addition to pharmaceutical industries. And our country is at the 14th position in addition to value. So these facilities are available in our country, but in opposition we say we cannot provide better medical facility in our country because our government has no money, our government has less facilities, care facilities. How can we say like this? So first of all, we care on its issue. What are the issues that we faced? What are the issues that we face in our country? And so we always face this type of situation. It means lack facilities and lack healthcare facilities. Now, so we care on the issues. What are the issues that we have to face in our country? First of all, plight of natural in rural areas. We come to the condition, any full condition of rural areas. Yes. And the second, can we say like this, the issue that we have to face, TB is the biggest killer. Now, TB is the biggest killer. It is a disease that common people have to face in our country. And when we discuss about the third, malnutrition. Like this, when we discuss about malnutrition, we find in our country, especially in rural areas, children have no adequate food, nutritious food to eat. So we are at the back position in addition to food, adequate food. So it can be discussed under the malnutrition. It means kuposhan. Like this, when we discuss about the fourth, communicable diseases. Now, fourth issue is communicable diseases. So these are the issues that in our country common people have to face. First of all, we find plentiful condition of rural areas. I have already told you that largest medical college in world, our country has the largest medical college in world and largest number of doctors in our country. It means our country has both of these facilities, that largest medical college, our country has largest medical college, and our country has also largest number of doctors. But in spite of these both two facilities, the condition of rural India is very plentiful. How it can be said? Because all the doctors, it means a large number of doctors always come in urban areas. It means Sahari Kshetra. So all the, it means most of the doctors always live, it means they belong to urban areas, but when common people become sick or injured, they have to come by covering a long distance to the city for their treatment. This is the condition of rural India in our country. So we can say this is the plentiful condition of people. Now we come to the TB. TB, it means tuberculosis. When we discuss about this, we can say about 5 lakh people. How many people? About 5 lakhs people are suffering from tuberculosis in our country. Before some years ago, it means they have been suffered from tuberculosis. How it can be said to like this? When we discuss about this matter, we find about 5 lakh people die from tuberculosis every year. How many people? 5 lakhs people. 5 lakhs people always die from tuberculosis. And malfunctions, I have already discussed you that when we go to rural India or in backward area, we find there is the laxation of adequate food, and in the laxation of adequate food, nutritious food, children always we find suffer from different kind of diseases. It means they are always prone they are always prone to many diseases, dangerous diseases. Like after malfunctions, when we come to the next issue, this is the communicable diseases. The communicable diseases, what are communicable diseases? If we discuss about communicable diseases, we can say that communicable diseases are waterborne. Which type of diseases are communicable diseases? Waterborne diseases. So these diseases that are waterborne are called communicable diseases. Now like this, when we take an example, we can say diarrhea. It means diarrhea. Diarrhea like this. Diarrhea, after diarrhea, we can say worms. Worms always occurred in a stomach of the children. After diarrhea and after worms, we can say hepatitis. Hepatitis. So these are the communicable diseases. It means in our country, these communicable diseases always are always faced by people commonly. So these are the situation or issues that we have to face. So we can say about the healthcare in India that in spite of these facilities, and we have to face